I'm Javier, and I'm the CEO of a game company, and I think Invanto is a five-star product. Before I found Invanto, I was using Wix, and I switched over pretty quickly. The many features that drove me to pick Invanto over Wix, uh, you know, are so many, but I'll give you a couple. Basically, abandonment cart abandonment. They have suggestion features to help buyers find other products that are similar, and not to mention the reward program that they have, where you can give points out to people who participate and site visitors, and it helps create customer loyalty, and you can give rewards to your customers. So that's just a couple of the reasons, just so many. Integrating Invanto into my system was very easy. Not only do they have uh, direct integrations with many of the email providers out there, including the one I have, but they also make the user interfaces really easy, and onboarding people uh, really is helpful because they allow you to use a CNAME, so your brand is represented no matter where you go. I would recommend Invanto for anybody who's looking for a website that is not just a website, but also full featured that allows you to sell stuff via e-commerce, sell digital products, track customer engagement, see where your customers go on the web, on your website, and for many of the other features